Welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. My name is Ruchi and today I am going to show you how to propagate money plant or pothos. So these are very easy to grow plants and they grow in vines. So I don't have the whole vine here, but I have some cuttings here that you can see if you come closer. So I have some cuttings here that I want to propagate now. So when you are getting the cuttings, make sure that you have at least 2 to 3 nodes in each cutting, because these nodes are the place from where the leaves grow and the roots grow. Okay, so maybe if you put it inside the soil, the first node goes inside the soil and the leaves can go grow from the second or third node or something like that. So to propagate them, there are 2 ways. One is that you directly stick it into the soil, and the second way is that you put it in the water, and that's what I am going to do. So I'm just going to take each cutting, and so this is at the bottom, so I'm just going to remove this leaf because it's going to go in the water. And here also I'll remove the bottom leaf because otherwise they'll start to rot. Here also. So this one, the second one, can stay as it is. This one doesn't have any leaves. And this one also, I'll remove the bottom leaf and this goes here. Okay. And just to make sure that they don't move around, you can put some pebbles, not too much, but little bit, so that they hold their place. And then just fill it with water and keep it in a not sunny place inside your house, but it should get some indirect light. Otherwise, they'll grow dull. So then just leave them. So I have already done this, and I put these cuttings in water about 6 to 8 weeks ago. So let me show you how they look like. See how the roots have grown into this? Each one of them. So some of them have only one node, so which is a challenging thing, because when you put it inside, even this leaf will go inside, but we'll see about that. So all of them have these roots. So because they grow in a vine, they make very nice hanging baskets. So that's what I am going to do. You can also put it in a normal planter like this. You can just put it in here and you can put it anywhere. These plants don't like too much of bright light. So hanging basket, hanging from a tree is a nice place to have for these. Okay, so now what we'll do is they'll just dig a hole and make sure that the whole root goes inside. And press a little bit around the root so that it stays there. Then take the next one. I'm trying not to cover the leaf that is coming out of it, but they will get covered because for some reason these cuttings have only one node. Use this one. Cover them up and gently press around them. So this soil, it is basically a good potting soil mix. It has some perlite, some coco peat, and some compost. And the pot has holes at the bottom, so the excess water can be drained, because these plants all don't like too much of water. So you should water them only when you feel that you dig a finger in the pot, and if it feels dry, then only you should water it. And then I'll put some in the middle. Because this is a hanging basket, it will be nice if lot of shoots are coming out of it, and it is possible that 1 or 2 of these don't survive. So that's why I am putting lot of these in here. So we can just put this one also in here. I think that's about it. We don't want to overcrowd this one. Okay, let's just put some extra soil because I pushed it down, so needs a little more soil. Make sure that they are all firmly in place, and then we'll just water them because the bottom soil was already wet, so we don't need to put too much of water. In any case, the planter has drains, so if the water is too much, it will just go down. So now, because they came out of the water into the soil, it's kind of shocking for the cuttings. So I'm going to leave them in a shaded area for a few weeks where it has indirect light and lot of moisture, and then only I'll put it in a hanging basket. And hopefully in 6 to 8 weeks we'll see some new leaves coming out of this. So if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. So I'll see you next time. Bye.